Hi, for all the folks who has a Kenmore Elite and keep wondering what happened to those little missing socks, I actually just found the problem. Taking out the clothes out of the washer, putting them in the dryer, and realize if you peel back the washer ring that's in front of the machine, you're actually gonna find missing pieces of clothing. Okay, so anybody with this machine, there's your missing clothes. It's a Kenmore Elite washer and dryer. Missing socks problem solved. Once again, just pull back the washer and there you have it. Missing clothes. Bye.